business people can receive many benefits from making this form of service an integral part of their activities. Certainly, business people are far more effective if they're engaged in their communities and aware of the challenges and the aspirations of those around them. And by being directly involved, they bring their own experience and expertise, as well as access to their networks, to provide practical support and ideas to many, many volunteer organizations today. But receiving a philanthropic donation is very important for many organizations. What is more important is for the person who is making that donation to also volunteer their time and their energy to support that organization in that way, as well as financially in making that donation.